salmon season is coming to an end, but this grizzly bear is still desperately trying to catch enough fish to feed herself and her family. On average, only 1 in 2 cubs survives the first year. Bears can't stockpile food like chipmunks. Instead, they must put on enough weight to endure 5 months of hibernation without eating. A week later, the temperature plummets, and the rivers on which she relies for food freeze over. Hopes of these bears surviving the winter seem bleaker than ever. It's -20 in northern Canada, and this bear family is desperate for food. All the fishing rivers are locked in ice. But this mum knows one last place. Here, warmer water seeping through the bedrock keeps the river from freezing and offers her one last hope. As soon as her wet fur is exposed to the freezing air, she becomes an ice bear, one of a unique group of grizzlies who know the secrets of this isolated river. As long as the water keeps flowing, Mum keeps fishing. Up to 6 weeks later than other bears in the region. A little local knowledge gives her cubs the best chance of surviving the long winter ahead.